Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Crypto.com, Crocoin, and how will Crocoin do this bull market. I want to talk about that. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at $64,411, down about 0.62%. We did break above 65,000, trading sideways, but guys, expect this sideways chop. The halving is over. It's going to take some time. I've been saying for a while now that I think that the larger moves are probably going to be playing out later than sooner. Probably around the beginning of quarter three, at the end of quarter two. But that being said, I don't think that we're going to dump significantly leading up to that, especially with the elections coming up. And, well, the S&P 500, the overall market, can't really perform poorly in an election year. And I know using the word can't and will are dangerous words to use when you're talking in definites, when you're talking about trading. But that being said, the probability of the S&P 500 going into a recession-like sell-off period is very, very, very slim, in my opinion. But Bitcoin dominance, trading at 53.76%, is coming down a little bit. If you exclude stablecoins, we're trading at about 55.76%. Some of these altcoins are getting some love, and I do want to talk about that, what that means for Crocoin. Bitcoin dominance, you can see we came all the way up to about 57%, and now we're back to around that 55, 56 area. But I think we're probably just going to be range bound here until we see that larger move to the upside for Bitcoin. When we see that move after the halving, that impulse wave to really, really be the iconic beginning of the macro cycle top for Bitcoin, which hopefully, like I said, happens around the end of quarter two, the beginning of quarter three, with a little bit of this sideways chop action that we're seeing play out right now for Bitcoin. But let's take a look at Crocoin. So we're seeing this little bounce with Bitcoin dominance falling down. Crocoin, guys, I'll keep saying it. I'm bullish on Crocoin. Crocoin has a lot going for it. It is a massive player. You know, honestly, it doesn't get enough credit where credit is due, where they have brought and onboarded so many new users to the crypto space through their marketing and through their advertising. And I want to touch on that because my biggest bull case for Crocoin, why I'm such a mega bull on it, is because, well, when people don't know about crypto and they see a crypto ad or they see a sponsorship, the UFC has a Crypto.com logo on it, or the Staples Center now is a Crypto.com arena. And the grumbling start about crypto when Bitcoin starts to make this big move up and people are starting to make money. The first thing that people are going to do is type crypto in Google. And the first thing that's going to come up is Crypto.com. And really, I want to reiterate, I think that Crypto.com is not the best exchange out there. I don't think it's the best thing for crypto. But I will say, by far, it is the easiest to use, has the best user interface for new crypto users. And that's what it's designed for. It's designed for retail. And that being said, well, when we see people come back to this crypto space, I expect Crocoin to make these big moves to the upside. My Crocoin price prediction in the short term is around the 20 cents. That's somewhat of the fair value. We've been working our way there for some time. And yes, I will say Crocoin has been a laggard. It's been lagging behind, and that's okay because, in my opinion, the retail FOMO is not here. It's not here, which is insane to talk about and think about because Bitcoin is trading at $64,000, $65,000. We broke previous highs, even though it was somewhat minimal, about a 10% gain, maybe 15% gain from the previous high. But it's quiet, guys. It's quiet. We've been trading sideways for over a month now. And it's quiet. It's quiet. It's incredible. The overall market sentiment for crypto, it's gone. On this move to the upside from January 2023, it was relatively quiet. It was relatively quiet until we got to about 50,000. And this move was pretty drastic. And you saw crypto Twitter, you saw the crypto influencers start really talking about it. We got some hype, we got some euphoria. But macro cycle FOMO, macro cycle hype, not a chance. Not a chance. Not yet. Not yet. I'm not seeing the frothiness. Sure, we saw some meme coin mania, but I'm telling you guys, I've been in these markets for over 3 halvings now. I realized that the other day, and after the halving is when the market cycle starts. The 4-year cycles are based on the halving, 4 years apart. We're just starting. We are just starting. And I really do believe after we see that big impulse wave to the upside on Bitcoin after the halving, you're going to see Bitcoin dominance rally to probably 57% again, maybe even break above that to 60%. You're going to see Crocoin trade sideways, maybe grind up a little bit. But then, guys, after Bitcoin trades sideways, after making that macro cycle high, that mania is going to come back to the market, not just to meme coins. I'm talking about the mania coming back to the entire crypto space as a whole. When you start seeing those TikToks of people talking about how they're quitting their jobs to trade, when you start to see people say, all I do is buy when the price is going up and then I sell when it stops going up. It's ridiculous. But we're not there yet. We're not there yet. And yes, you can argue, oh, these economic times are so different. There's always trials and tribulations going on through the markets. There's always conflict in the world. But guys, what do you know? You look at the history of the markets and they continue to go up. They continue to go up because money is being printed and it's not going to stop. But back to Crocoin. After we see Bitcoin make that big move to the upside after the halving, be prepared, guys. Be prepared for Crocoin to make some big moves. And I will say, be on your toes when you see it happen, because that is a very good indication in my mind that retail investors are here. And that means that, well, we're coming to the end. And make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, guys, because we will be the first to let you know, okay, we're starting to get there. We're starting to get towards the end. Now, it's not financial advice, but I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm going to show you what I'm seeing. I don't just tell you guys these things and not do them myself. I preach what I do. But, guys, you need to pay attention when you see Crocoin make that big move to the upside. You need to pay very close attention. I'll just say that. We also have Kris doing some big things, the CEO of Crypto.com. He's out here increasing the customer service agents. They just hired over 700 customer service agents, which is pretty incredible. And you know what that says? Gearing up for this bull market. They've already been gearing up. He's made a couple tweets about it. We are in a bull market, but he's gearing up for that mania. Hypothetically, if we didn't see this big move to the upside leading into the halving from all the ETF news, the bull market should be starting in the next couple months, even though we've been in one for over a year. It's very fascinating to think of it that way. But Crypto.com is gearing up. They know that they're going to need these customer service agents. They know that there's going to be many people coming to their platform that are new to crypto. There's going to be money flowing into the cryptocurrency space. Be prepared, guys. Be prepared. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Check out some awesome referral links we have down below. A $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you got to do is click a link in the description box, trade a little bit, deposit, make a bunch of free money. It's great. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.